Hi there, Chris West here. I'm the Mid-Atlantic Regional Manager for D&B Audiotechnik. Here at InfoComm this year, we're also showing off our newest install version of our newest line array, CCL. This is the CCLi. CCLi comes with two different versions for its top box, which would be the 80 degree and 120 degree. It is a compact cardioid line array, which is very special because it operates on a single channel, so it's passive. To do this, we've got loaded up like a normal loudspeaker with low frequency and high frequency. But we also have some speakers in the sides that work through a bandpass chamber to get a delay. That way it can operate on that single channel. Along with that, we have our CCLi sub that is also a cardioid sub. It includes installation-specific hardware so that you can more cost-effective hang this into an install. And it can go into many places such as house of worship, any kind of event to about 4,000 people. If you want to learn more about this, please visit us at www.dbaudio.com.